Hello everyone, this is Wendy. Welcome to YATTLL channel. When we talk about electric wheelchairs, the first thing come to our mind is audio radio. But today I want to share our kids electric wheelchair YE200C.
See, this blue one is what I mentioned. Bright color is more attractive to you and your kids, right? The second cushion is softer and you will still feel very comfortable even if you sit for a long time. Uniquely dual battery design, easy to remove and install. Even a single battery, you can operate the wheelchair as normal, and the 6-ounce battery acceptable for air travel. Adjustable side protection plate to better protect the safety of different size children. Adjustable backrest. Users can adjust it to the most suitable angle. Smart remote controller. Caretaker can operate the wheelchair within 5 meters. Easy to fold and open in 3 seconds. Is your wheelchair too heavy or too big? Come on, one car, one wheelchair, take you anywhere you want to go.